homemade mango ice cream. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. We're gonna chop 5 mangoes. We're gonna separate about 1 cup of chopped mangoes to be used later. Put all the chopped mangoes in a blender and make a puree. Now we're going to put the puree into a bowl. We're going to add 1 can of condensed milk and mix well. In another bowl, we're going to add the whipped cream and we're going to whip until it's stiff peaks. Now let's add the mango mixture. Retain 1/4 cup of mango mixture for later use. Add your ice cream to your favorite container and now you can put the pieces of mangoes. Now sprinkle the mango mixture on top and use a stick to make swirls. Cover with a plastic wrap and make sure that it touches the ice cream surface. This will ensure that no ice crust is formed on top. Okay, time to do something that I really don't want to do it. Try this delicious ice cream. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, click the like button, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Until the next video. Bye bye.